Let's learn how you can post a long image on Instagram. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So before we actually go to Instagram, we will have to increase the image size of our picture. To do that, we will have to go to Google and just write on search bar square my image. And you will just have to click on this first site that appears like Insta size image extender. Here it will appear. You will have to click to upload and drop image. Let's go to photo library and let's select our image we want to post. Once you done that, you will just have to click on download after you select the type of image you want. Okay. Once it finishes downloading, just go back to your Instagram, click on this plus sign on middle to post an image, select image you want. You will have to click on next and select here that to appear a bigger image and just post it and you're done. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.